Learn English with Zach and Peter. Careers. Hey friends. Today we will learn careers or jobs in English. Zach and I are students. That's a job too. Student. 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 Great job.
Hey everyone. I am Dr. Lee. I am a doctor. 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 Great work.
Hello friends. I am a male nurse. 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 Keep up the good work.
I am a police officer. Police officer. Good job.
Hey, I am Mehmet. I work as an instruction designer. Instruction designer. Instruction designer. Instruction designer. Wonderful!
Hey, I am Sandy. I work in a school because I am a teacher. 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 You are all wonderful students. Hello, friends. We are in this beautiful theater because I am an actress. 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 Great job.
Hey everyone. I am here working in my home. I am a housewife. 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 Great job.
I am a small business owner. Businessman. 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 Great work.
Would you like more coffee?
Thank you so much.
I work as a waitress. 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 Awesome. Hello there. We have to be quiet in the library. I am a librarian. 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 Very good. Keep it up.
Hey friends. I am Stella. I work as a cashier. 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 Awesome.
Hello, how are you? Do you need to pick up medication? I am a pharmacist. 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 Very nice.
Hello students. I hope you're not in trouble. I am the principal of this school. Principal. 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 Well done. Now get back to class.
Hey folks. Welcome to the show. This is a comedy show. I am the comedian. 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 Cool.
Hey, I am a little busy now. There is a fire here, and I am here to put out this fire. I am a firefighter. 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 Great work. Now I have to run.
Welcome, citizens. I am the president. 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 You are all wonderful.
Hello. I am Alex. I am here to fix the sink because I am the plumber. 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 Nice. Now I have to get back to work.
That was amazing. There are so many different careers out there and it's so exciting. Let's go over the careers that we have learned. Student,
Doctor.
Nurse.
Police officer.
instruction designer,
Teacher.
Actress. Housewife.
businessman,
Waitress.
Pharmacist.
Librarian.
Cashier.
principal,
Comedian.
Firefighter.
President. Plumber.
Great job everyone. Thanks so much. We will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.